Hey, it's time for the monthly city update for July 2016. So we're going to get right into it. So jumping right into it here, you can see I got sick of the 90-degree turns that LEGO provides with the road plates. So I photocopied a road plate and I made a half turn that I think looks really cool. So it provides just an angled road coming into the city. That gives DPM Tower an angled look in the city, and across from DPM Tower I have the mini modulars. And on the corner I do have the new location for the repair shop, because something else is where that used to be. Next to that I still do have the public parking, and around there is the water tower. Now the cargo area and harbor, those are still relatively the same. The only thing I did have to change is with the new road layout. I had to have an angled driveway back to the harbor. I still do need to find a better piece for that driveway part. Main Street is relatively unchanged as well. There is a new building there, the Parisian restaurant, replaced the pet shop. Now the pet shop is split into two different locations, one next to the fire brigade and one next to the brick bank. The airport is virtually unchanged as well. I did not focus on a lot of these things, I focused in the back. So the airport is still all the same. Moving across the street from the airport, we still do have the Tower of Terror that I am working very hard on. Don't think I am forgetting about it. I am working very hard on it. And you can see the track comes out at the different end of the train station. That's because on the other end I couldn't have it come out that way because, as you can see, there's a blank space, and I'm starting with a new project. Now that new project is in my head and I'm not going to tell you what it is, but I think you're going to like it quite a bit. The Ferris wheel used to be where that blank space was, so I had to move it over to this corner of the city, and at first glance it does look a little cramped back there, but if you look at street view it does make a little bit more sense with a small little park there, and you know, it does work out, and it's more of just a viewing Ferris wheel, not an actual Ferris wheel. So that's going to do it for this LEGO City update for July 2016. Time is really flying by. I hope you enjoyed this city tour. Subscribe for next week's video, and don't forget to watch last week's video. Thanks for watching, keep building, and have a great week. Bye.